What's up guys, my name is Benjamin Ballard and welcome to my channel, The Weekend Adventures. I've been living in Germany since 2016 with the military and have been able to travel to some of the most amazing locations throughout Europe. I have decided to start recording my videos mostly for myself, but to also share these awesome locations with you guys. This is my first actual video, so it's not going to be perfect, but come with me and experience adventure and we'll figure this out together. Alright, so for this weekend, we're going to do a road trip. We're going to get up super early in the morning. So I've set my alarm for 1:30 a.m. We're going to leave the house around 2 and drive down to Hallstatt, Austria, spend the morning there, and then head out probably around 1, 2 o'clock to Hintersee, which is back in Germany. It's a really pretty Instagram lake. And then the next day, we'll head out to Lake Königssee, which has an amazing waterfall. And all these spots are super popular on Instagram, so you can check it out. And let's do this. Hey guys, so we're here in Munich, left Ramstein at 2 in the morning. It's now 5 and got about 3 more hours to go before we get to Hallstatt. How's the ride going so far? You enjoying it?
Yeah, I'm so focused on the drive.
Just woke up, living the dream. 7 hours later, and we made it to Hallstatt. It's freaking cold this morning, 23 degrees. Already making some friends with the locals right here. It's pretty cool. Other than that, I'm gonna check out the town. Hey man, come here. Playing it cool over there, huh? Come on, you followed us. We know you. We've seen you before. Gonna make sure you get the right shot for the gram. Hey guys, there's plenty to go around. I got you. Oh yeah, show them off. Wow. Let's hear it. Who's...
Did it hurt to hit you?
No. Pretty cool. Finishing up the coffee. Probably gonna go check out the waterfall next. Look at the rest of Hallstatt. This has been our company. Had this friendly swan, very friendly, and this cat over here. So, what do you think about the swans here?
I like them. They're good little friends. They like to nibble and eat rocks more than leaves.
Yep. And they hang out forever. So trying to walk up these ice stairs carefully without falling in Ugg boots. She's doing good so far. Yeah. Gimbal's about to die, so we're gonna hike back out. Made it up here to this waterfall and awesome view of the lake. Gonna head into town and get some food, but no one's up here, which is pretty awesome. This place is usually super packed in the summertime. Did you find some good snow? Yeah. Need to get you some food. Probably starving. Alright, so we made it to the bottom, we hiked out, camera's charged back up, and now we're looking for some food. It's icy in the shadows, getting some snacks. Courtney's hungry, gotta get her food. Just finished with lunch. It was super good. We ate at Simple 69. 24 bucks for us to eat with drinks. The flatbread was amazing, and the hot cocoa was super yummy, rich, and then that potato soup was very good. All of it was like just really good. So if you're here, check that place out.
Oh, you're so adorable. Oh, you're so fluffy.
Yeah, always gotta say hi to the dogs.
Oh, hi, you're so cute. Oh, you're so fluffy.
Heading back to the car now. Great morning in Hallstatt. Weather's been fantastic, as you can see. There's no clouds in the sky. It's warmed up, and now we're heading out to our next destination. Gonna warm up this time.
You just need to sit. Oh, who's a good girl? Come on.
Courtney, the cat whisperer, just reeling him in. He just wants food.
Look at that mane you have.
Oh, not interested.
Look at that fluffy booty.
So parking's not bad. It's $3.50 an hour. We were here just under 5 hours, so it was $8.50 for our little morning day trip. Now we're getting in the car. It's freaking cold over here in the shade. But we're gonna head to Hintersee and check that out this afternoon before going to the hotel. Hey, cool girl. Alright, it was an hour and a half drive from Hallstatt, Austria to Hintersee, Germany. Lots of snow here. Walking out towards this lake here, and the sun is setting, so the lighting is this golden hour right now. See what we can find. Where you throw the snow up in the air and you capture that like a mohawk. We could try that. I mean, the sunset over there, so it'd probably light up the snow. Courtney, are you not wearing socks? I can see your ankles. This is deep snow, so you gotta be careful.
Perfectly spaced that one.
Shot. Oh yeah, there it is. Are you excited? What we drove all the way here for?
The hype is unreal right now. It's like I'm bouncing out of control.
Sounds like it.
From the inside.
just finished up at Hintersea. This is the spot right here where we got all those cool shots. And there's like 2 people here. No one's really out here. Courtney's here, I'm here, and that's about it. So, got some sweet drone shots I'm gonna throw in here. And I've never flown through the trees before, so that was a rush. It's pretty crazy. But other than that, we're gonna head back to the car and then head over to the hotel and call it a day. Just got to the place, $60 a night. That's the view. Go ahead and on the balcony here, we'll go inside. And this is our bedroom. She got the M&Ms out, obviously. Got the sweet tooth. We got these cool tiger carpets, bathroom, and this hallway. Alright guys, that's it for today. I got all my stuff charging for tomorrow's adventure to Lake Königssee. So we get some more cool footage there and have an awesome time. I'm gonna hit the hay. Courtney's already passed out on the bed. No, she's not. She's not. Anyway, you guys, we'll see you in the morning. Alright, so I'm gonna split this weekend trip up into 2 videos. This one's starting to get a little bit long, and I've been working on the editing for about 2 weeks now, and I kind of want to get it posted. So if you've enjoyed the video, like and subscribe so you can see the next ones that come out. And I'm also working on some travel trips coming up in the future. I got Africa already booked, which I'm super stoked about. Going to go down to Cape Town and see penguins on a beach and do some other local trips here. Going to go down to the thermal baths now that Courtney's cast comes off today. So that's really exciting. So if you guys want to see that, hit that subscribe button. Other than that, I will see you in the next adventure.